Today, we are going to show you how to make your videos go viral with one single tool in CapCut. But before we continue, please subscribe, like and share this video for more like this. Speed ramp! Yes, going viral in YouTube and TikTok. You must know editing tricks like speed ramp. Alright, let's roll. But before then, watch these clips first, and we go right into the studio, so I show you how the magic is made. Now, for any video to go viral, it must have a strong hook, punch, and wow. And you just saw that only one tool has given you all that three already. First, grab a clip that has motion, running, turning a product, or anything with action. Open CapCut on your computer. Click New Project. Import your clip. Drag it to the timeline. Click the clip once, so it's active. Look to the right top bar for speed. Click speed, then choose curve. You'll see presets like montage, hero, bullet, jump cut, flash in, flash out. Click all the preset one after another to test it. Press play to preview. If it feels choppy, don't worry, we'll smooth it next. After that, then come to customize. You'll see dots on a speed line. Each dot is a speed point. Drag a dot up to go faster, drag it down to go slower. Drag left or right to change when it happens. Keep your moves simple. One slow dip for drama or wow. One fast spike for punch. Let's build a clean viral ramp in CapCut. At the start, keep it at 1x, normal speed. When the main action happens, slow it down to around 0.3x to 0.4x for that smooth cinematic slow motion. Right after the action, boost it up fast to around 2x to 3x to give it that punch. Then land back at 1x so the flow feels natural again. Press play. If the slow part looks stuttery, turn on smooth slow-mo for the smoothing. Now, it's time to make it hook your audience by making the movement sync with your music or sound beat. Add your music to the timeline. Click the audio clip. Hit Mark Beats. CapCut will drop tiny beat marks on the audio. If you are missing out, then go and watch our beginner tutorial. It explained in details all the tools in CapCut and what they are used for. Alright, grab the speed dots and align them with the beat marks. Dip on the build-up beat, spike on the drop. Now play it back for review. You feel that snap? That's the hook. Alright, no cap. Let's add extra sauce. Come to Effects to Video Effects and search Motion Blur, though I mainly use vertical blur. Drop it on the clip. Adjust the blur until it becomes light and feels so real, not muddy. Add a mini push-in to fake camera movement. Select the clip. In the right panel, find Scale and Position. Move the playhead to just before the slow motion. Click the diamond to add a keyframe. Move 10 to 15 frames forward inside the slow motion. Increase scale to 105 to 110 and nudge position a tiny bit. Now your slow motion glides, not just slows. Clean your cuts. Press Ctrl B to split right before and after the ramp section. Add a tiny whoosh sound on the spike. Lower music a bit under the whoosh so it pops. I give you assignment with these three proven ramp styles. Practice and play with them, and drop your experience or challenge on the comment section. If you gain support, we make another video for the challenge. Hero shot, 1x to 0.4x, and then to 2.5x, then back to 1x. Bullet time, 1x to 0.25x, and then back to 1x. Montage pop, 1.5x to 0.5x to 2x, and then to 1x with quick points on each beat. Shoot tip. Always remember to record at 60 or 120 frames per second if you can, because the more the frames equals, the smoother the slow motion. Export quality must be 4K, 60 frames per second for smooth ramps. And here is the quick fact break. Speed ramps and beat-matched cuts are used in millions of shorts and reels. People don't explain it, they just feel it. But if you haven't subscribed, please do now, like and share to reach others, and comment your editing or content making challenges. If you get support, I make the video for you.